the formation of seed and the structure of the seed and flowering plants and non-flowering plants. So phanerogams and cryptogams, these are the two subtypes. In that phanerogams, they are differentiated reproductive organs. The organs which are present in the flower or the plant, they can differentiate. We can differentiate it separately. But in cryptogams, the reproductive organs which are present in the plants or flowers, they are hidden. They are hidden. Another thing is the gymnosperm and angiosperm. There are two types of seeds, that is the gymnosperm and angiosperm. In gymnosperm, this gymnosperm word is split into two parts, that is gymno and sperms. So gymno means naked seeds. We can see that seeds with the naked eyes. The example of these gymnosperm is pinus and what is the another example of gymnosperm? Pinus and cycas plant. In these two plants, the seeds we can see with our naked eyes. The size of the seeds are big in size or enlarged in size. That's why we can see it with our naked eyes. That is pinus and cycas plant. Then another type is angiosperm. In that angiosperm, the seeds are covered. Means they are covered inside the fruit. And ovary. Inside the ovary shows the seeds. The seeds which are present is inside the ovary, and after that the formation of fruit takes place. So what is the next another thing? Plant embryo is seeds have structures called cotyledons. What is meant by cotyledons? The structure of the seed you already know. What is present inside the seed? Seed coat is the outer covering of the seed, which is tough in nature, and they provides the protection to the inner part of the seed. So cotyledons, seed coat and embryo. Okay, these are the different parts of the seeds. Cotyledons, plant embryo in the seeds have structure called cotyledons. Cotyledons are called seed leaves. What is the another name for cotyledons in the seed? These cotyledons we also call them seed leaves, because they are mainly instances that emerge and become green when the seed germinates. The color of the leaves is green in color. That's why we also called it seed leaves or cotyledons. The green when the seed germinates, the angiosperms are divided into two groups in the basis of number of cotyledons present in the seeds. Okay. What is the difference between, there are two types of seeds, monocotyledons and dicotyledons. Means only cotyledon having single cotyledon. The seeds show having only one cotyledon, we call them monocotyledons. Monocotyledons.